Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan again from Milkyway Art Design. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am going to do another modified bloom pour, and this time I'm going to use a different color combination, and also I'm going to make sure that my greens are not that prominent because lately I'm using a lot of green. This time I just wanted to do something with less prominent green. The green is going to be there, but it's not going to be too prominent. Let's see how it goes. And for the rest of the video, I will probably chime in here and there. But other than that, I hope you will be able to follow through because I have posted similar videos before, and all the descriptions of the color and everything, I will put them on the description section of the video. So just enjoy. Look at that. It already looks so beautiful. So now I'm going to do my most favorite part of this technique, which is I am going to use a skewer and I'm going to modify these flowers. Don't get me wrong, they already look beautiful. I just want to create some extra interest on my composition. So as you can see, I am using the thicker end of the skewer for this part before spinning, and once I'm done spinning, I will do some more modification, but that time I'm going to use the pointy end of the skewer. Now let's do some minor modification before we finish. And this part is done by the pointy corner of the skewer because these are more detailed and I don't want to use the thicker part of the thicker end of the skewer. Wow, this one is so beautiful. I know, you guys are thinking, hey, she says this with her every video. Actually, these are stunning when you look at in person. I hope you enjoyed watching these, and you can see on this particular one, the gold is more bronzish gold, so it's not like very bright, but I like it the way it is because of the color combination. And this one is currently available in my Etsy shop, just in case you are interested. Thank you.